Good morning. You know, one of the sketchiest things that can happen to you while you're sleeping in a car is someone to come and knock on the window at like 3 in the morning. This has happened to me a couple times, and it is pretty terrifying because you don't know who's on the other side of that window until you take the window cover down and in most cases roll the window down. The reason I'm talking about this is because every once in a while you kind of get freaked out. You know, maybe you're in a new city, maybe you're in a new spot that you've never slept in. You're a little paranoid, and I mean, it happens to the best of us. The number one question I get in the DMs is, how do you make money on social media? But the second question that people ask is, how do you find safe spots to sleep? A lot of females reach out and they say like, I want to live in my car, I want to travel, but I'm scared because I'm a solo female. And with that, I just say you have to be extremely cautious. Always know your surroundings. Make sure you're in a safe environment. Have self-protection. Get the app iOverlander. It shows you spots that people sleep and it gives you reviews on them from people that have slept there recently. And follow your gut. Let's hit the road. Oh, I woke up and started driving towards Minneapolis. Now I'm in Minnesota and I just saw this weird place, so I'm gonna go check it out. Mimi and Papa's place. They got like a Sasquatch over there, a knight fighting a dragon, old bus back there. Looks like the Into the Wild bus. Well, I really want to hop the fence over there and check it all out, but I'm not gonna be a delinquent today. Bro, look at that thing. Got an ant with a human head over there. Look at all those ants with baby doll. What is going on, bro? I got the KFC driving the Ford. Caged fish, a bunch of bears, dinos, duck. Oh, they got the gnomes right there. This is just such a weird thing to come by. Like, who drives by this and is like, oh, I need to come in here? I mean, I guess I did, but it's just hilarious what they got going on. Look, they have an alien with a gun right there. Some zebras. They got a minion driving a Model 1. They even got Jesus over there. Them snakes don't look friendly. Just like so much going on here. I can't even comprehend. Little makeshift helicopter. This is what really caught my eye. They got the big boy. Papa's Park Patrol right there. It's like a real life Peep. That's what really caught my eye. They got the minion over there. And then like this alien thing right here. What is that? Something in the dang, something in there. They got Squanto, and then all the aliens up here drive through. Oh, it's a selfie park. What world do we live in? Look, I just realized the dinosaur has a lady in his mouth. Where do they find this stuff? I guess it's just like years of collecting random stuff, buying a piece of land, setting it all on the land, and then charging like a $20 admission fee. Now you run a business. They just need to put this in a more prime location. Like we're in basically no man's land out here in Minnesota. It does feel nice to like stretch the legs though and get a little exercise in, because I woke up and just started walking or just started driving immediately after driving until 2 in the morning, and then I stayed up I think till 3, woke up at 7, started driving immediately. I got about 2 hours left. Yeah, I kind of have to poop, so we're probably going to make that happen. My first stop when I get into Minneapolis is going to be a Planet Fitness so I can shower up, and then I'm going to sit down and edit my YouTube video that I have to post today, because I'm posting the Alaskan road trip every single day for the past, I don't know, I'm doing a 20-day upload thing. To watch my movies. Just got done with an amazing shower. I'm about to go fill up my water jug there in Planet Fitness by using the water fountain to fill up the gallon, pouring it in, doing that like 7 times. It's a long process, but it must be done. That water is probably not even that good either. Probably not even purified from there. All right, this is where I'll be for the next 4 or 5 hours, sitting here editing, trying to get locked in. I've got 18 minutes left of footage that I need to keep editing, but I decided to come out here and have the first meal of the day. Some leftover mac and cheesy with the dogs, the turkey dogs. Okay, it is 6:29. I just got out of the Planet Fitness, just got done working on the editing, posting, uploading a short, got it all done, spent basically all day doing that. I drove a couple hours this morning, but yeah, all day on working on the channel. So I'm hungry. All I ate today was just some leftover mac and dogs. So I think I'm gonna make some hot dogs and eggs, maybe in the air fryer. I don't know. Oh, I could try hard boiling eggs. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Decide I'm gonna make some egg fried rice, put some hot dogs in there. So I decided I want to make legit egg fried rice. So I got eggs and rice. The rice is done cooking. I'm gonna just keep that in there. And I need to go into Target real quick to grab some more ingredients. It's gonna be expensive in here, but I don't want to drive like 15 minutes to the nearest Walmart. So let's go get it. Okay, it was a struggle to find the first 3 ingredients, but we got garlic, onion, and green onion. So now I need some soy sauce. Cheapest soy sauce they got, we'll take that. Okay, I was gonna get the pure seed oil, but I just feel like that's like not a necessity, and it's also $4. We're balling on a budget. Gotta buy my mom a car. Predictions on what the total is gonna be. $5.86, that's the total here. All right, the nice workers at Subway just hooked me up with some cups so I can put my rice in here to make the egg fried rice. We gotta go back and give her some egg fried rice. That's what I promised her. So let's hurry up and make this, and let's make it good. Plan is simple, put it in a cup. All right, let's chop up this onion. Toss that into the pan. Okay, I'm about to bust up all these bad boys. Okay, I got my onion chopped up. But to watch the tutorial on how to whip it together again just to make sure I'm doing it in the right order. All right, it's time to chop up the green peppers. I'm gonna put all that in the pan here. Okay, turn the heat on, throw some soy sauce in there. I don't have any oil, so this is what I'm gonna use. I feel like I should add some dogs in now. I should have definitely cooked the dogs earlier. This is not, they're gonna be like boiled freaking dogs. I could have put like a char on them, that would have been way better. Mix it up. Taste test. Oh my god, that's so much sodium. Way too much soy sauce. Dang. I have the egg fried rice if you want to try it. Look, okay, it's not very presentable, but I swear it's clean.
Wait, where did you cook that?
In the parking lot.
You made it in the parking lot?
I make videos about it. Like, it's super clean, I'm telling you. I use hand sanitizer. Like, I clean my pan. But I used way too much soy sauce. So if you feel free to say no, but I'd
Wait,
love.
so you just go around to random stores and cook in the parking lot?
Yeah. Well, I do like camping, like car camping, and I've been on like a road trip. Yeah. And I just like vlog it. So.
What's your social media handle?
Michael Hickey.
Michael Hickey. Do you have TikTok?
Yeah.
What is it?
Michael Hickey, Michael, and then Hickey like on the neck. I'll eat this if you guys don't want it, like. But it would be nice if you tried.
Yeah, you ain't
No.
Are you like on a trip right now? Or are you from?
Oh no, I'm on a trip. I'm on a trip.
What? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Cool. Is this you?
Yep. That one's it.
Oh my gosh. Hello? Are you gonna get a tiny house?
Yeah, I'm about to go build one right now.
Really?
Yeah, like I'm on my way back to Florida. I'm gonna do it in like Destin, Florida.
That is so cool.
Build it, turn it into an Airbnb.
Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. We do got good Taco Tuesday.
How far away am I from Minneapolis?
Like 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Yeah, I might go to Minneapolis. I'm going to Chicago. I want to go to Chicago tomorrow. Do you want to try it or not? Feel free to say no. It's not very presentable, but I swear it's clean. Just like a little small. You want me to try it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So
Give me a fork. Please. It'll be quick. It'll be quick. So I handed the girl in Starbucks the phone to record me eat, and then I was gonna record them eat, and the phone was already recording, and she like made it stop recording, so I didn't get the clip on this phone, but I did film it on my iPhone, so I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. But it is so, I use literal, like, where's my sodium at? I didn't realize what I was doing, guys, and I used half a bottle of soy sauce. So like, this is almost garbage. Like, it's almost unedible. So now I'm making like double the rice. I'm making like a crap ton more rice just to add it in there to like dilute some of the sodium. I don't even know if that'll work. So the clip starts right after she takes her first bite. It's bad. Don't spit it out.
You need to get your cholesterol checked, probably. Oh my god, you're gonna have a heart attack.
I used half a bottle. I didn't know what I was doing with the soy sauce. Like, I went ham with it.
Oh my god.
Okay, honest 1 out of 10. She almost puked. Be honest, brutally honest.
I'm gonna give you a 0.3. Take a 1. You're gonna shrivel up if you eat that.
You're gonna shrivel up if you eat that. That's hilarious. It's so true though. Like I took like 4 bites and I'm chugging water now because I'm so thirsty. Okay, that worked. Now I just have a bunch. I have so much of this stuff. Like look at this. Look at that. It's like 5 pounds. A fry rye. So I added delusions. Is that how? Delusions is different than diluting something. But if I'm adding delusions or dilutes, is that adding delusions? Insert quote from the devil around us all the time. Delusions! Delusions! I came in here to wash my hands, but I ended up in the Lego aisle. Oh, Lego Star Wars as a kid, that was like legendary. If you got some Lego Star Wars for Christmas, you were lit for at least like 2 months. I would build it, rebuild it, build it, rebuild it. I was really big on Bionicles. I wonder if they still have those. Bro, this is one of the things that I'm gonna do when I'm rich, is like just come here and buy all of them and then just have some fun on stream, like live stream building them. Oh, I love Legos. I love Legos. It's so satisfying when you build it. You get like instant gratification or whatever it's called. What? They got like flower Legos, typewriter Lego. That's dope. I want all of them. Ghostbusters car. I want them all. Now that's crazy. R2D2, like big R2D2. 2,000 pieces for 191 bucks. That's not bad. Jeez, 75,000 pieces. Holy crap. Oh wait, no, 2,000 pieces. Here's the new iPhone 16. It's got like this AI, the button series now AI, so I need one kinda, I think. Oh look, there's the S23. Oh, what the? I was not expecting that. Yeah, this is what you guys are on, except you're on the Ultra, S23 Ultra. I think it's actually S24. This is what you guys are. I rolled up some of the egg fried rice into a burrito. I'm munching on that right now. I found a park here in a nice neighborhood. It's called Moir Park, M-O-I-R Park. I'm gonna check out Minnesota's skyline tomorrow. I might go into the city and do a few things, tourist things, then drive, I think, 7 hours to Chicago. Try to make it to Chicago for sunset. That would be perfect if I could get to Chicago while the sun's setting. I can go up in the Instant 360 building and get some shots, get some pictures of Chicago's sunset. And then from there, I might just continue driving towards Toronto, or I could shoot down to Indiana and go visit my family. I think I should just keep going on the journey and then go visit the family that I haven't seen in months. I haven't seen my mom in like 8 months. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. Love you. Good night.